In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change sender email on Mailchimp. If you want your campaigns to come from a different address or name, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to make that change, so your audience sees the right sender in their inbox. We'll start inside your Mailchimp dashboard. On the left-hand navigation, click Campaigns, then choose Email. This takes you to your email campaigns list, where you can work with drafts, scheduled sends, or previously sent emails you want to repurpose. Find the email you want to update and select Edit. This opens the campaign builder, where you can review the setup details before sending. In the Setup section, look for the From area. Click that, and you'll see fields for the sender name and the sender email address. Update the email address to the one you want your recipients to see, and make sure the display name clearly represents your brand or team, so subscribers instantly recognize who the message is from. When you're happy with the changes, click Save. You should now see the updated From information reflected in the campaign setup summary, and there you go. If you don't see any other emails listed as choices, when you try to change the sender address, you'll need to connect additional emails to your account first. To do that, go back to your home dashboard. In the top right corner, click your account icon and choose Account and Billing. From there, add more users and domains. Adding users lets approved team members appear as senders, and adding domains helps align your sender identity with your brand. Mailchimp may prompt you to verify ownership of an email or domain. Follow any on-screen prompts so those addresses are available as valid sender options. This step helps with deliverability and trust, ensuring inboxes recognize your messages as legitimate. Once you've added the necessary users or domains, return to your campaign, open the From section again, and select the newly available sender email. Save your changes and double-check that everything looks consistent across your campaign settings, including the subject line and preview text. A clear, recognizable sender combined with a familiar brand name can significantly improve open rates and reduce the chance of your emails being overlooked. That's all. You've successfully changed the sender email on Mailchimp, and you now know how to connect more emails to your account if you need additional options in the future. Keep your sender information consistent to build trust with your audience, and update it anytime your brand or team structure evolves.